All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 mid-roof, short wheelbase, white with gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system, got backup camera, power windows, power door locks, super nice, and best of all, on the cheap range. It's a cheap truck to own. Super nice. Your front bumper looks good. Your hood looks good. Your fender, as you can see, does have a dent there. Boom. All right. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Your tire third is at 830 seconds. I'm gonna double check that. The hell? Get here in the middle. Yep, it's at 830 seconds. This door looks pretty good. This here, we have a dent from here coming around, as you can see it there. All right, and another look from this side. Boom, there's a dent there, coming to here, and there's some more up there. All right, the rest of it looks pretty decent. Got a heavy scratch right there. Here's your rear driver side steel wheel. Your tire third back here is at 930 seconds. Got a heavy dent here with some paint off. 3, 6, 9, about 12 inches right there. Boom. All right. Jump into this vehicle. Got power windows, power door locks. You got your power mirrors right there. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does have one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Still wrapped up. Keep it moving here. Of course, you got your AM/FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Boom. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Turn on the air conditioning. There it is. 28,197. It's good. Alright. Keep it moving. What's your rear cargo area looks like? Rear doors. Got a little dent there. These doors do swing out. Boom. Car's on this one. Out of the way. Because as I said before, this is there you go. This is what one of them looks like. Here's what one of your doors looks like. Very nice. And likewise here. I can't even do this video right now. I'm so upset that one of my guys forgot to put that piece in. See how it has one reflector over there? Give me a second, guys. All right, while my guy's getting that piece, we'll show you this roof. As you can see, the roof looks pretty good. Does seem to have 1, 2, 3 little dings. I don't know where they came from or what they're trying to do, what happened here, but there's 1, 2, actually 3 dings that look like little pebbles. Yep. I don't see any more or anything else up there. All right. My guy is getting that rear reflector for this bumper. This door, as you can see, does have a dent there in that corner. All right, the rest looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Tire third here is at 930 seconds. This door does have a dent here about 3 inches. Another one here about 3 inches. Boom, boom. Another one here about 2. All right. Door does swing all the way. This is what the side compartment looks like. Boom. All right. Well, this door does have 1, 2, 3 dings. That's about it. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. And fender looks good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. And your tire third here is at 930 seconds. Let's see if my guy put that reflector. And he did, ladies and gentlemen. The reflector is back here. This is what it looks like. Oh, glorious. Glorious. All right, keeping it moving. Keeping it moving. Lights are working. Car looks good. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-150 mid-roof long wheelbase with 28,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.